In this video, we will learn all about the fault, P0710. What does it mean, symptoms, causes, and how to solve it. We also respond frequent questions related to this error. First, what does error code P0710 mean? Error code P0710 is related to a problem with the transmission fluid temperature sensor. This sensor is crucial for the proper functioning of the automatic transmission, as it measures the fluid temperature and sends that information to the engine control module, ECM. If the ECM detects that the sensor signal is outside established parameters, code P0710 is triggered. Improper functioning of this sensor can lead to erratic gear shifts, an increase in transmission fluid temperature, and, consequently, premature wear of transmission components. When this code occurs, it is essential to perform a thorough check of the transmission system. Ignoring code P0710 can lead to significant damage to the transmission and considerable repair costs. Therefore, it is essential to address this problem quickly to maintain the efficiency and safety of the vehicle. What are the symptoms of the P0710 fault? Difficulty shifting gears. Rough transmission shifting. Transmission fluid overheating. Unusual noises when shifting gears. Decreased fuel economy. Important. The solution for this DDC varies by vehicle. If you want a custom DDC repair manual for your make, model, and year, order it here. I've left the link in the description and in the pinned comment. What causes DDC code P0710? Faulty transmission fluid temperature sensor. Loose or corroded electrical connections. Transmission fluid leaks. Transmission control module, TCM, failure. Transmission fluid contamination. What are the possible solutions for OBD2 code P0710? Replace the transmission fluid temperature sensor if it is faulty. Inspect and repair any transmission fluid leaks. Check and secure all electrical connections related to the sensor. Diagnostic and, if necessary, replace the transmission control module. Change the transmission fluid if it is contaminated or degraded. We'll answer some frequently asked questions. Can a vehicle with a P0710 code be driven? Driving a vehicle with a P0710 code is not recommended. Although the vehicle may continue to operate, the transmission fluid temperature sensor plays a critical role in transmission performance. If this sensor malfunctions, it can cause fluid overheating and internal transmission damage. Therefore, it is best to avoid using the vehicle until the problem is resolved to prevent further deterioration and costly repairs. Which sensors are related to the P0710 fault? The primary sensor associated with the P0710 code is the transmission fluid temperature sensor. However, other sensors and components, such as the transmission control module, TCM, and transmission speed sensors, may also be involved. Problems with any of these sensors or components can contribute to the occurrence of the P0710 code. How much would it cost to repair the P0710 fault? The cost to repair code P0710 can vary depending on the underlying cause of the problem. If the transmission fluid temperature sensor needs to be replaced, the cost can range from $150 to $300, including both parts and labor. If additional repairs are required, such as correcting transmission fluid leaks, the cost could increase to $200 to $500. In more complex cases, such as the need to replace the transmission control module, costs could rise to $600 or more. Without further ado, I hope this video has been useful to you and you can solve your problem. See you in a next video. Bye-bye.